Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing well by God's grace. So in today's video we're going to be doing another three amazing hair growth Ayurvedic herbs that you can add to your deep conditioner to increase the strength and to promote healthy hair growth and also condition our scalp. So here I have my rosemary. I've already plucked it out of the stick, then I wash it, then I put it back to my pot again. Here I have the mustard seed, so I'm going to be adding a little bit of this mustard seed inside my pot as well. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really do appreciate. So if you are here for the first time, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So here I have my fenugreek seed, so I'm going to be adding that as well. You can use this quantity just like so. Don't make it too much because we are still going to be adding deep conditioner. So now I'm going to add water. Add as much water that you want because you want the water to also remain just like so. So now you can just blend the water and the leaf plus the seed, everything together. Just in case you want to use the water as hairspray, you can strain out the water and use ordinary water to blend your ingredients. Okay, this water is also good when it comes to hairspray. It's so amazing. It also encourage hair growth as well. But today I'm going to be blending everything together just like so. It's so amazing when you try these ingredients together on your hair. Your hair is going to love it and your scalp is also going to love it. Fenugreek seed is amazing and it's good to condition your hair because it has a tons of sleep that can also help you to detangle your hair with if you want to use this as a detangler while deep conditioning your hair. So now everything is inside my blender. As you can see, I have enough water in there to help the blending process. So I'm going to cover this now, then I will just blend everything together just like so. So after blending, this is how it's looking like now. I'm going to be using my my sauce cap to press out the smoother paste, then we can get rid of the residue. Okay, make sure you do that part or else you are going to have a lot of work to do. So after pressing out the smoother paste, this is how it's looking like now. As you can see, that slip in it is because of the fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed has a tons of slip that is so amazing for our hair and it's so conditioning. So now you can use any deep conditioner of your choice. Here I'm using the Osmond deep conditioner, which is deep treatment and moisture. The treatment is good to keep your hair moisturized. It's a very good mask in case you want to try it out, and it's also affordable. So here I have my DIY hair growth that I infuse. So it's so good and it's so rich in many things for our hair as well. So I'm going to add that to it, then I will just mix everything together like so. As you can see, if you want, you can add more or less of the oil. So I'm just going to mix everything together, as you can see me doing right now. This product is so good for our hair. Is going to help to condition, strengthen, moisturize, and also contribute to hair growth. It also good to cure any scalp issue that you might be facing. So you can see how creamy it look now. It's so super moisturizing. The product looks so amazing just like so. So I'm going to be adding more oil to this, as you can see. So I really want to make it moisturizing enough, and I want the oil to kind of condition my hair while I wash out the deep conditioner. I still want moisture to remain on my hair. So now I'm just going to mix the oil together again with the product. Okay, so this product is so amazing. As you can see how creamy it look now, and so moisturizing to your dry hair. So if you have dry hair, you have to try to make this for yourself. It's going to really moisturize your hair, condition your hair and your scalp, and at the same time promote a very healthy hair growth. So this product is also going to reduce dandruff and irritated scalp, and it also good to stop hair fall. If your hair is so shedding, you should also try to use this product as well. So I have a similar video on my channel. I will leave there at the description box below, so you can go and check that out and also choose the one that you can be using on your hair. So they are both good. So I'm adding some of my essential oil. Although they are finished, there are still some drop out. Okay, so now it's time for me to apply this product to my hair. As you can see, my hair, I just washed my hair with my Glove shampoo that I made the other day. So the video is already on my channel. I did not use a waist out deep conditioner. I just shampoo my hair. Now I'm going to go straight to just deep condition my hair. As you can see, my hair did not dry at all after using the shampoo, so I think there's be no need for me to use a wrist out. Let me just go straight to using this deep conditioner on my hair. So rosemary is amazing for our hair growth. It stimulates and improves circulation to the scalp, thus encourage hair growth. Hair cleanser due to its antibacterial quality. It gently cleans your hair. It also increases shine. It relieves irritated, dry, flake and dandruff. So in your scalp, it's so amazing. Rosemary is one of the most used Ayurvedic products now. If you want to start to grow your hair out, you should start using it. Okay, mustard seed is loaded with vitamin E. The fatty acid present in mustard seed can condition and induce life into our hair. So vitamin B also helps to give us a beautiful hair, and also help to grow our hair as well. So mustard seed is so amazing when it comes to hair growth. So if you want to use it, you can make an oil out of it, or you can just use it as a hair mask, just the way I am doing it right now. So mustard seed also help blood flow in the scalp, and that also can contribute to hair growth. It's really good to help your blood to flow very well in your scalp while using this product. It's so amazing. Mustard seed is so amazing when it comes to our hair growth. So if you have not been using it, start using it right now. It helps to speed up our hair growth. It helps to also stop hair loss. If you suffer from hair loss, mustard seed can also help you with that, as well as also contribute to your hair growth. Okay, fenugreek seed is also one of the products that you can start using to keep your hair and your scalp moisturized and deep condition your hair. So it's really good to moisturize your hair, to keep your hair soft and manageable. Guys, fenugreek seed is really good. It also get rid of dandruff. It also revive and damage hair. It also adds shine to our hair, and also prevent green premature of hair. So fenugreek seed is really good, amazing for our hair growth, and also contribute to fast hair growth as well. Fenugreek also slow down the ability and of the DHT to attach to your hair follicles. So it's really good, guys. You should start to try this herb. Is going to help to thicken your hair and also grow your hair really fast. Okay, so now I just apply the product to my hair just like so, as you guys can see me doing right now. Yeah, this product is so amazing, and I love this DIY, this three combo together. I love it so much. So the one I have before, you can also go and check that out. That is also amazing when it comes to our hair. So you can choose, after using the two, you can choose the one that you love most to be using on your hair. Apply the product to my hair, I'm just going to massage my scalp with this product to help with the blood circulation. So blood is growth. When blood circulates in your scalp, that means your hair is going to grow really fast and also healthy. Try to massage your scalp anytime you apply product to your hair. Then I will just put this together, as you can see. Then I will just cover my hair with a plastic bag. I allow this to sit on my hair for an hour or two. Then when after that, I will just come back to rinse it out. Then I will show you guys how my hair looks after I rinsed it out. So after leaving it for an hour, this is how my hair is looking like now. So I just rinsed it out. My hair looks so soft and strong at the same time. I really love this deep conditioner combo. It's so amazing. Do this once a week if you want to get the best result ever. So my hair even look more darker now safe. So I really love this product. If you like this video, give me a huge thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. And by God's grace, I will see you all on my next video. As you can see, my hair is so amazing right now. I really love using this mask on my hair. It really helped to. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really do appreciate you all. Bye bye, and I will see you all on my next one by God's grace. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, bye bye.